show you how to assemble this shoe rack. So you got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are going to be a kind of, you can say, steps. So you need to place the rods into this spacing which is given. So like this we will do for all these remaining 4. Ready? So we made 6. We don't got 2 rods for this one. Bekar look. So now what you have to do, so this is the back side, this is the top side. So on the top side you have to place this elbows, you can say 3 characters like this. So bigger one going downwards, smaller 2 are like in this way. So you can see, and make it all the way like this, and you can put this in this way. So you can now see that these rods will come like this. So I will place all this in all this like you can say seats, and then we will see. Ready? So as you can see, we have inserted this elbows, you can say. So now after this you need to make a connection between these edges. So as you can see, like this, we want this smaller, the medium rods. So put this, and this one. So in this way we have to make all of this remaining seats. Ready? So we have completed these layers by assembling all the components. Now what we have to do, we have to insert these small rods like this. So now on top of this we have to put this one. So before that you can see it is wobbling, so make sure to balance this. Now you need to put this on top of this. So we will put all the layers one by one on top of this. So after arranging all this, you can say plates one by one, we got this 1 2 3 4 5 layers box. Why 5 layers? Because top layer is not required, but if you uncover this will serve, but if you cover this is not required. So this is a cover which you can put directly. So what you can do, these tie knots can be used to tie this. You can tie this.